Hey, what's going on guys? Kelechi here and welcome to my unboxing and review of the new Tecno Pouvoir 4, the biggest smartphone yet from Tecno. I have the 3GB RAM, 32GB variant. When you open the box, you are greeted with a smartphone having its major specs labeled. Next is the warranty card, a screen protector film, a TPU case. Let's go ahead and fix it to see how it fits. This one is firm and solid. Next is the micro USB cable, a pair of earphones, and a 10-watt charger brick. The SIM ejector tool is laid inside. So let's go ahead and peel this off to boot our device. The Tecno Pouvoir 4 is another battery-focused smartphone from the brand. You have a massive 6000 mAh battery and a quad camera combination here. On the right side you have the power button and the volume rocker. On the left side you have a dedicated Google Assistant button, the dual nano SIM and the micro SD card slot. On the bottom is a single firing speaker, a micro USB port, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a noise cancelling mic. At the back is a quad camera combination of 13MP main camera, a 2MP wide angle, a 2MP depth and a QVGA lens. You have the capacitive fingerprint scanner and the Tecno's branding. The design of the Pouvoir 4 is enhanced, unlike its predecessors. For me, it feels really sleek and premium. This is yet another big innovation from Tecno. It comes with a massive 7 inches HD Plus display. The display is an IPS LCD panel with a dot notch, 720 by 1600 pixels resolution, 246 pixels per inch density and 90.5% screen to body ratio. The display is really massive and it's almost not a one-hand use. This kind of display is definitely cinematic, with thin bezels on top and below. Watching YouTube videos is limited to 720p and nothing really obstructs the view. Holding the phone, you'd barely notice the dot notch that houses the 8MP front camera. I have the Ice Jaded color variant. Very fascinating. Despite the big battery, this smartphone is lightweight, slimmer and sleeker than its predecessors. When you expand the display settings, you have the dark mode feature. Thanks to the iOS 6.1.0, there is also the iCare and other embedded display features. The Tecno Pouvoir 4 comes with MediaTek Helio A22. It is a 12nm chip, a quad-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz, 3GB of RAM and a 32GB internal storage. Android version 10 with Tecno's new iOS 6.1.0 skin. The battery available is massive, a 6000 mAh battery that will never disappoint. It does not support fast charge, so charging would definitely clock in around 3 hours. The quad camera performance of the Pouvoir 4 is quite commendable. The Pouvoir series are not camera centric, but this time Tecno has enhanced the camera features of the new Pouvoir series. The main camera is 13MP main lens. Take a look at the picture quality. It's vibrant. The quality is good and detailed. There's a perfect balancing of light with contrast and brightness. As always, daylight shots are always detailed. The front camera is an 8MP dot-in camera. The picture quality is recommendable. Although it is overblown, the images are quite decent. They both shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. What do you think? What are your thoughts on the video and the picture quality of the Tecno Pouvoir 4? The Tecno Pouvoir 4 is priced at $55,000 or $140. For network and connectivity, it is 4G. It supports OTG and there is also proximity sensor. The fingerprint unlock is fast and reliable. I really commend Tecno on this one. This is an absolute good innovation. From the design to the massive screen and the power 6000 mAh battery. At 55,000 naira, it is absolutely price worthy and you're definitely getting your money's worth. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new and watching this video. I've got so much to show you guys. And don't forget the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thank you guys and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Kelechioka.